Hello there, welcome in. Do you hear the birdies? My name is Bríd and I am the Irish singing carnivore DJ. And I'm just sitting here in the evening sun to do my sun gazing and to take the last rays of the sun onto earth, to have my bare feet on the grass and to do my grounding. And I was just meditating, which basically means just taking a break. Yeah, I was just taking a break from things and people and sounds and ideas that pop into your head, be they good or bad. And I just thought about meditation and the way that often people think meditating is having to stop your thoughts. And here's a car going by, so I'll let that happen. I had a thought come into my head when I was wanting to just be here in peace and quiet. And I've got my lovely piece of crystal in my hand as well. There's the love doves. Can you hear the love doves? I think they're doves. And a thought came into my mind. It was a beautiful thought. But I just said to it, no, I'm on vacation right now. I'm not taking any calls. I've put my phone on silence. And I've switched off the internet. The office is closed for business. So thank you for your beautiful energy coming to give me lovely ideas. But right now, the office is closed. And I thought I'd just turn on my video and tell you that, because I do know that I'm not unusual in wanting to switch off. And I'm not unusual in wanting to just sit here in silence without thoughts coming in. It's not that I can stop the thoughts from coming in, but I can catch them lovelily and gently, like a lovely butterfly, and just say, thank you for coming into my life at this moment, but off you go, because the office is closed. So, it's been lovely talking to you. If you want to hear more peacefulness and lovely music, tune into my radio show, which is called Bhríde, Music to Nourish and Heal. And you can find that online or on the website of FlirtFM in Galway, Ireland. It's also, there's an archive of shows on Mixcloud. So I leave you in peace now, and I'm just reminding you to take off your shoes and walk for a few minutes. There's some beautiful bicycles. Oh my God, look at all the bicycles. Ooh, people out enjoying the sun for an after or an evening bike ride. That's beautiful. I'm just reminding you to take off your shoes and walk around or sit on the grass. And if there's no grass right beside you, even taking off your shoes and walking on the ground, even if it's concrete or asphalt, you're still going to get some positive benefit from that. Aren't you? cuckoo. So enjoy your evening, your morning, your afternoon, or whatever it is. Sending you love from Galway, Ireland. Slán agus bannacht a gine Ursula. Bye for now. From me and the lovely birdies, and there's a cat over there. Can you see the cat? Yep. Slán agus bannacht. Take care of yourself.